Let's take a quick look at the SurfSight Fleet dash camera. Pretty typical boxing, not very big. We open it up. We see that we have a wiring harness with a 2-wire harness, which means that there is no ignition line. We have a fuse tap, so if we wanted to connect this red power line directly into a fuse panel in the vehicle, we could do that. That can be very convenient at times. We have a nice long cable, so we can run the cable from anywhere on the windshield, underneath the dashboard, to the power supply. We also have a screwdriver, which could be used for inserting the SD card or the SIM card. The unit, you can see the size is about just a little bit smaller than the size of my hand. On the bottom, we have a button where you can generate a video clip if you need to. You can obviously go online and still request video off of the loop recording, but this can make it easier if you just want to grab like a 10 or 20 second video clip and have it automatically uploaded. You'll notice that there are 2 cameras. And if we look at it this way, you'll see we've got this camera here, and we have this camera here. The exterior camera is going to be using ambient light. The interior camera would be using some type of night vision technology to help you see what the driver may be doing during nighttime, which might be talking on the phone or something like that in low light visibility situations. Then we have a screen that will obviously give you information about the system status. And in the bottom of the box, we have a window cling. We have a wipe for cleaning the window to make sure that the camera sticks on well. We have a user guide. That is pretty much it. If you have an interest in a Fleet dash camera, specifically the SurfSight camera, give us a call. It is well integrated with the Geotab platform, and if you're a Geotab customer, this is a great addition. The exceptions and the rules inside of the Geotab platform integrate with the camera, generating video clips for you to take a look at when an exception takes place. So give us a call at Fleetistics. Love to help you. Have a good day.